Kid injury free.
Mr. Gates?
Yes.
Can you please mute your device until I call your names?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Sierra.
Hello, Judge. See, I wouldn't forget about you.
All right, let's call the case. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Tiffany Ronisha Lindsay. Case number SP1212309, count 1. So, Ms. Lindsay, I see that you've made some progress here. You say you need a couple more weeks. I'm going to give you, when do you start that job?
I start my job on the 27th, sir.
All right, 27th. I'm going to give you till November 22nd.
Okay, yeah, that's plenty of time for that last ticket.
So you don't have to spend your first couple of paychecks on this, or any. So let's give you till November 22nd.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate your understanding.
You're very much welcome. I appreciate you zooming back in and letting the court know the progress you've made. And I wish you the best of luck on your new job. I'm going to set this for review. I want you to zoom back in at 8:25 on that day so we can make sure that we close it out once we see the payment.
Yes, sir. November 22nd, 8:25 a.m. I'll see you then.
Thank you very much. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Have a great one.
You as well. I have a Moto E6. Who's on the Moto E6 device? You got to unmute yourself, please.
Hello?
Who's on the phone there? 586-222-253. Who's on the phone?
This is Micah Lord. Micah Lorick.
Oh, he's on the next page.
I didn't think we had. Okay, I see. All right. Sir, do you have a lawyer?
No, sir, not at this moment.
I'm going to give you an opportunity to get one. Mr. Baughman, there needs to be something done about. I was in a discussion with some of the other judges, and I guess on these these drunk driving cases, they're only going to retain on the misdemeanor cases, I should say, they're only going to retain the audio video for 90 days. This was back in the allegation. Let's call the case.
All right.
The City of Detroit versus Michael Lorick, case number Z8083761.
For the record, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, Mr. Lorick, would you announce your name to the court, please?
Micah Lorick.
Thank you. Your Honor, this matter is set for pre-trial. Because of the nature of the charges against Mr. Lorick, I'd ask if the court would respectfully allow this matter to proceed to the next best action date and allow Mr. Lorick some time to consult with an attorney.
All right, let's also call these other cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Lorick, case number SP1095380, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1095381, and SP1095312. There's also 17316442, counts 1 and counts 2, and 17-353-2001. All right, so, Mr. Lord, you got a lot in front of you here. I'm gonna set aside the defaults in the 2020 cases.
Excuse me?
Talk to him, please. Mr. Baughman.
Hello?
Yeah, we're here, sir. Your lawyer is going to speak with you. Let me put you in a breakout room. Oh, maybe it may not be the same. It may not be the same. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same. Something's going on here. They put the wrong date of birth. All right. All right, we're gonna give him a pre-trial date, 30 days, October 21st. All right, we'll pass that. Who's on the Moto E6? I tried to get your attention earlier. You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Raymond Leapert.
Mr. Leapert. I saw your name yesterday. I signed a show cause for Mr. Well, it was a Leapert. I don't remember if it was Raymond or not.
Raymond is here.
Yeah, but I signed a show cause for a Leapert.
Let me see if it's in the system.
Tim maybe get another notice. All right, Mr. Leapert, do you have insurance? Do you have proper plates? Do you have a driver's license?
Well, I applied for my driver's license.
Go ahead.
Yes, I decided not to get get the car registered because the transmission belonged on it, but I did take care of my license and driver's license. I did take care of that, but the car is no longer service.
So you're saying you do have a license
Yes,
and that, do you still have that Volvo?
the vehicle, I decided not to do anything with it because
Do you still have it is my question.
yes, I have it, but yes.
Run his driver's license, please.
Well, they gave me a copy because it's still in the process of for the final the ID. I have it with me.
All right, his license is valid. Mr. Leafheart, he's got improper place. All right, Mr. Leafheart, since you went and got that valid driver's license, we're going to dismiss these matters. Let me call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Raymond Leafheart, case number SP 1166139, counts 1, 2, and 3. Good morning to you.
Morning.
Mr. Leafheart, I did make a note here. You provided valid docs. You know, you haven't gotten the insurance or plate, but you indicated to the court that the car is no longer operable. Now, let me tell you this though, that still doesn't preclude you from having to get that stuff. That car is sitting out on a lot, or if that car is sitting anywhere, really, it needs to be registered if you're still in possession of it. But that's gonna be between you and whoever. But I'm gonna dismiss these matters because you did go out and you got a valid driver's license, all right?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you have a great day.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate
All right.
your offer. All
All
right.
right.
Thanks.
Have a good one.
You too.
All right, back on the record with Mr. Lard. Mr. Lard and Mr. Bachman, I gave you an opportunity to speak with your client in the breakout room. I want to ask one question. What is your date of birth, Mr. Lard? Is he back?
Your Honor, he's on the telephone, so you're gonna have to bring him back, please and thanks.
All right. All right, back on the record with Mr. Michael Lord. I gave you an opportunity to speak with the counsel in the breakout room. And I want to ask you one question. What's your date of birth, sir?
03/12/1982.
All right, so there is a little discrepancy on that document. It does say on the IBAC case that there's the wrong birthday, but I'll leave that to your defense counsel, whoever represents you. If you can't afford a lawyer, you need to petition court to see if you can get one appointed for you, because you really need to come back with a lawyer in this instance, sir. So I'm gonna adjourn this matter until October 21st, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. That will give you some time to see how you want to proceed. I do want to let you know that you need to get somebody to get that discovery, so it'd probably be important to get the audio video from the scout car And I'm told that they're gonna destroy those for misdemeanors after 90 days, so it doesn't give you much time, so. I just wanna, is there anything further, Mr. Goffman?
No, I believe that pretty much covers our discussion. I did encourage Mr. Lorick to seek counsel and indicated all the reasons why he should do so. He indicated that he would like an adjourned pretrial, so we thank the court respectfully for that, and I wish him the best of luck.
All right, Mr. Lorick, you have any questions, sir?
I'm sorry, you broke up, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You do as well.
All right. So, oh, no. All right, good morning, Mr. Crutchfield. That may be somebody else's phone. Here, Teresa. Yeah. Okay, the gentleman that just signed on, what's your name, sir? Sir, what's your name? I'm not hearing you. Can you hear me? All right, well, let's get the device together. Seems like you could be able to talk now. I don't know, you're unmuted. Good morning. You have to unmute yourself now. All right, so Buffington is there. So let's get going with, you, Mr. Goss. Mr. Buffington, Officer Buffington, you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with, the city attorney. All right, sir. You need to get your device together so we can, I'm sure you can hear me, but I can't hear you.
What? You talking to me?
Yeah, is this, yes, I'm talking to you. Good morning to you. What's your name?
Derek Gwynn. Good morning.
Good morning, all right. Mr. Derek. Yes.
This is burn. You supposed to have this? I just noticed this.
I don't know why we have a Burns on our docket.
They feel-
I don't know why we have a Burns. It doesn't have a judge of record. This may be going downstairs, because these are all civil infractions. Well, it says us.
I'm just.
All right, we'll take care of it. All right, let's go to, Mr. Gunn. You have his file? Good. Lamar Gunn.
Is it Gwen?
Again, yeah.
Oh,
All right, sorry. All right. I just don't understand this. Let me just ask you this, Mr. Gann. Do you have any money today?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Hoffman?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have just two cases for Mr. Gann on the docket. But I mean, it just appears that he's just a serial, habitual, driver that just does not want to, comply with any of the rules of the road or with any kind of payment or anything. So get your ink pen out. This is the city of Detroit versus Derek Lamar. Again, case number, and these are in warrant status, SP 100442.
Sure.
7 counts 1, 2, 3. SP 1083. Hush, sir. SP 10833058 counts 1 and 2. We'll call SP 10830621 and SP 111, well, let me see. Yes, SP 111-67491. Those are in default. SP 111-67501 is in warrant status. SP 111-67502 is in warrant status. SP 1137725 counts 1 and 2. SP 1170417 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1177151 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1186079 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1213485 SP 1213506 counts 1, 2, and 3. We also have SP 9963821, and this is in warrant status as well. 126304-201. This is in warrant status as well. 15409074, count 1. 15463837, 1. 16222012 is in warrant status. 16224045 is in warrant status as well. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Gwynn. Derek Gwynn, would you announce your name to the court, please?
Derek Lamar Gwynn.
Thank you. We will waive, well, we're going to thank the court for that formal reading of the information and complaint, Your Honor. We are here for the purpose of a show cause. I'm sure it was a mistake that Mr. Gwynn did not appear at his last hearing date. He appears today on the Zoom, and we ask that the court enter a not guilty plea on his behalf and set the matter for a pre-trial where the prosecutor can review these cases and have a recommendation. And
Well,
in the meantime,
I don't know what you said for a free trial. Why don't we just deal with it now?
okay.
It just appeared that Mr. Gwynn indicates to the court that he doesn't have any money. Are you working, sir?
No, I got an interview this week though.
He's got an interview this week. It just, I will just deal with it today because there's no sense in coming back. I'm gonna print out these tickets, give it over to the city attorney and let him review and see what he wants to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm gonna pass this matter until we get all this stuff printed out. Mute yourself,
Your Honor,
sir.
can I speak?
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I speak to the attorney for Christopher Gates?
Yes. Join that breakout room, counselor, for your client. All right, good morning, sir. How are you? Up there, G. Graham?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, how are you, sir?
I'm blessed. How you doing?
Very well. How can we help you?
I was on here like last week. I had to pay a fine for the inspectors and stuff, and I did all that, and I came back to you the next day, and
What's your first name? I remember. What's your first name?
Gregory Graham. And I got pulled over by the police, and they say I still got the same warrant.
Because in your imagination, why wouldn't you want to sound like Mr. Bell?
Can you, please turn your TV off?
Sorry about that.
What's your middle name?
Lamont.
Why isn't this closed out? Ms. Nash,
Yes, sir.
why isn't this closed out?
Can I get the case number?
V11120319 and V11120419. It's got a payment. We talked about it the other day. There's not going to be a payment on there because that payment was made for some other entity. And we asked, we talked about it, zeroing that out, and dismissing the charges. My apologies, Mr. Graham. That's correct, right, Mr. Goss?
I just came back in, Your Honor.
Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Gregory Lamont Graham. Case number is V11120319, V11120419. Mr. Graham was on the business docket last week. He had to pay the $268 per case, and the cases would be dismissed. You indicated on that day, the next day, that Mr. Graham, because when I looked on the computer after he zoomed back in, that you said that he provided payment. You said the business court lady had indicated that she had the payment, and I questioned why it wasn't listed on the computer. You said that money goes to another entity. Is that correct? And that
That's
this
correct,
case
Your Honor.
closed out and dismissed, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Graham, we're going to try to get it right this time. I apologize for that inconvenience, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right, then we come to a resolution with Mr. Burns. All right. Mr. Buffington, that's the Officer Buffington, that's the lawyer, and the city attorney, the lawyer representing Mr. Burns.
Okay, thank you.
Did we come to a resolution on that, Mr. Goss?
I need Officer Buffington in the breakout room, Your Honor.
All right, he's going in now.
Oh, he just went. All right, thank you.
All right, let me print this stuff out for this. Again.
Yeah. We're back, Your Honor, but I don't believe the attorney is out the breakout room yet.
All right, if you can go in there and get them out.
Well, I go back.
In all them that I represented, you know, in other words, represent as an officer of the court.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right.
Get up and come up.
Let me give me that tourist to drive.
They can hear us.
From West Virginia.
All right, while we're doing this, well, we'll give Mr. Burns and his counsel on his way.
We're ready.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ronald Keith Burns. Case number SP 11764666, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11764667, counts 1 and 2. Appearances for the record, please.
Yeah, please court Dante Goss, key 60162.
Christopher Gates on behalf of Mr. Burns, who is also present with me, Your Honor.
What's your key number on the record, Counselor?
47909.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing.
Your Honor, I also have Officer Buffington.
All right, Officer Buffington, can you put your appearance on the record, please? You're muted, sir.
Officer Garrett Buffington, badge 691, Detroit Police.
All right, today is the date and time for a formal hearing. I've given all the parties an opportunity to discuss the matter. Has there been some sort of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, the city is moving for due to proper documentation.
Can we get Mr. Goff to repeat that? It was very low.
The city of Detroit is moving for dismissal due to proper documentation.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the matter for valid documentation. If there's nothing further, then everybody have a very good day.
Could Your Honor, could I just ask, he did have to post a bond. I assume at some point that will be mailed back to him.
Yes, he can, but it should be, we'll put the request in. I can't, we put the request in now, Ms. Nash? We'll put the request in now, and that bond should be refunded to him. I will stipulate, is there gonna be a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor. We need stipulation probable cause.
All right, can you stipulate the probable cause, Counselor?
Yes.
All right, so the matter is gonna be dismissed, provided valid document. We'll put that request in.
Because, you know, we had to post it by mail, so we didn't get a receipt. So that's why I'm concerned, because it was $1,080.
Let me see. All right, I don't have that there. I'm gonna look at each ticket. 336 on one. $252 on the other. $492 on the other. All right, so that's, I got 336, 252, and 492, which sounds like about $1,000.
Yeah, yeah, it was like 1,080, something like that.
Over $1,000. So I'm gonna write down on these tickets that there's each one of them. I guess it would be the 1, 2, and 3. Let's make sure we get those on this. All right, very well. I marked it, so we'll see. We'll put the request in. Does he need to call that number to follow up on that request?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have this number?
I have a pen, Judge.
313-965-5228.
5228. Okay. Thank you.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a great day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right. We lost Mr. We lost Mr. Again. He wasn't going to do anything with himself anyway. I don't know why he showed up.
How long did you put our ways on?
Yes. All right, let's put that in there and let's refund this on. Well, it might be one of those mornings. Where's Judge Blount's work on this?
333.
Three. Paul, Marlena Taylor.
I think it's 337.
That's 337. Yeah, don't worry about it, I'll do it.
337. I have this.
So who's covering? Blount is covering, I gave, my Sherman to cover for me on Monday.
Dante, I'm gonna have you log into your Zoom. You be over there whispering.
You know, I'm thinking about this, I'm talking right over this microphone right over the podium. So I'm thinking that you can hear me from that.
I don't know. Okay.
But I can speak up.
Thank you.
And then too, you don't want to, they have the microphones, so.
Right.
I wonder if I can.
And then one other thing, Your Honor, when the I meant to say this a while back, when the printer is going.
Oh, I'm sorry, I apologize.
It's okay. No, Ms. Ness, I know you're doing what you're doing. However, if we could just, you know, pause for the printer or go around.
Yeah, it's a lot, but we have to print out today.
I wonder if I can put it in a different location.
No, we'll make it work.
It sounds like wherever it is in the courtroom, it would pick up.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where it is in relation to the mics or how I'm able to hear you guys or what amplifies you, but it sounds like the acoustics of the room will pick it up anywhere.
Yeah, right up.
I was about to say, because it's like the size of it alone is gonna make, you know, like to the court plus.
And I've been saying that for a long time. They don't get any part, you know, we don't have any printer.
Plus, like, the microphone itself is just like right to the top of the,
I can ask.
yeah.
I'm gonna go deliver these, dockets.
Okay.
If you can text me if that gentleman comes back in.
Mr. Glenn, okay.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they still have you in there, people. You can yank it out.
I think after a few,
You got a couple people that hired, huh?
no, it's not that, it's just like, kind of, he put us on mute for a second. I want the public to hear this. Where, you get a remote.
Do I have? It's up here.
Just about to say, put it on him, I got it.
You got it.
Put us on mute real quick.
You can do it from there, huh?
Yeah.